Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today I'm going to be doing some very trendy and popular heatless curls that I found on TikTok. So you can do this with socks or basically anything you have that is long like this. This is actually a sweating towel. I'm gonna link this down below if you guys want to check it out. This is clean, by the way. It's not sweaty. It's actually brand new. I haven't used this color yet, but the other ones that I have that came in the pack I use to clean up my sweat when I'm doing the Peloton, you know. So I saw this and I figured that this would be perfect to use for this hack. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure that you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I am going to be uploading twice a week, so stay tuned. And I'm just so excited to bring some different types of videos to this channel. More curly hair videos, heatless curl videos, and just videos on how to keep your hair healthy. I'm still going to be doing hair tool videos, but just here and there, not like too many, because I really want to keep taking care of my hair. Also, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on my YouTube channel. I usually post everything on Instagram and TikTok before YouTube, so make sure that you follow me on there. I'm like always posting every day, stories, post, you already know. So follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and let's get right into the video. I'm gonna use my Juli brush to kind of detangle my hair. So I'm going to place this right in the middle, this towel, and I'm gonna use a clip to secure it. So I'm gonna use this clip. I have bangs, so I don't know how this is gonna work, but we're just gonna try it. So I'm gonna clip one side just to have it away from the other side so I don't mess it up. I am going to put a little bit of foam, just a little bit on my hair. So about that much on like the section that I'm going to be wrapping. So I'm gonna take this section right here and wrap it around the towel, and I'm gonna grab some more and put a little bit more foam, because if not, I feel like I'm not gonna get as defined curls. So then I take this part and join it to the other section, so like that. You see that? So like that, and then I do the same thing. So I just start to grab more and more sections, put a little bit of foam on my hair, and then I join it with the other one. So kind of like that. By the way, this foam is from GHD. I'm gonna link it down below. It's actually really good. I love it. So yeah, just add a little bit of foam like that, and then join it to this one. You guys see what I'm doing? And then I guess the rest you just kind of wrap around the towel like this. This towel is like the perfect size for my hair length. So I'm gonna take a hair tie and just tie my hair. And I'm gonna like wrap it up like this. Kind of do like a little donut and then secure it with some clips. I really hope this works. And I feel like if you put it up like this side, it's easier to sleep in. And hopefully you still got some really nice curls. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. I am going to probably put a silk bonnet on top just to make sure that nothing moves around or anything. So I'm gonna add this curl hold spray from GHD as well, just to kind of make sure that I get even more defined curls. This actually doesn't leave my hair sticky. It leaves my hair super soft, and it's really good for curling my hair. So Now we should really get some nice defined curls. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I'm gonna take this off. I did sleep with the silk bonnet. It wasn't too bad to sleep in. The clip up here was like a little bit uncomfortable. Like if you touch it, it kind of like pulls your hair a little bit. So maybe next time I'll try to take this off. So yeah, it's still pretty up. I mean, this one is kind of falling. So I guess we'll take this one off first. Let me take off the clips. Okay, I'm gonna take this one off too and then kind of like pull it up. Okay, and I'm gonna take this clip off. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this up and let's see what curls we can get. Do I still have a clip? No, I don't. Okay. So I'm gonna run my fingers through the curls. Oh my god, it looks a little bit messy, but it's not bad. I guess I just gotta like fix them a little bit. You know what, it's not bad. I'm not mad about it. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Kérastase oil just to kind of make everything more smooth and shiny. And I'm just running my fingers through my curls to give it a more natural look. It actually looks really nice. The curls do look a little bit more natural. They're not like all the same. What do you guys think? I feel like I got some pretty nice curls, but this one in the front is not that cute. I feel like I should have done the bangs differently, but like how? Yeah, this up here is not that cute. So I would like pin these back maybe. Even this right here is not that cute. So some parts are nice, but then other parts are like, okay. But for heatless curls, not bad at all. I mean, it's just like a very natural curly hair look. Kind of want to pin the front like this. Yeah, I like that. That's cute. I would do something like that. Kind of like bring one side up and then leave the rest down like this. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Let me know what you guys think of this hairstyle, these curls. I actually really like them. I think they're very easy to do, pretty comfortable to sleep in, and you use no heat. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye-bye.